Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dobyeng jongpi.
Mr. Speaker, sir, reply to third question 4. A, no, sir. B, sir, does not arise in view, and A above, sir.
Mr. Speaker, sir. Sir, my question is in the negative. The answer is in the negative. But I have some figures and facts with me which testifies that the office of the Neepco has been shifted from Shillong to Guwahati. And that goes with the office order 1038 dated 25th of June 2022, where 3 big offices have been shifted to Guwahati, and that is the Executive Director of Operations and Maintenance, Executive Director Contract and Procurement, Executive Director of Corporate Project Monitoring. These 3 big offices have been shifted from Shillong to Guwahati, along with a section of the Information and Technology Cell and the Finance Wing. So, may I ask the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister to clarify on the answer that he has just answered in the negative?
Yes, sir. Sir, in fact, last year, when the statement came out in the newspaper, I also took up this issue personally with the highest authority, and it is black and white, the question of shifting the head office of Neepco does not at all arise. Point number 1. Number 2, sir, yes, a branch office or transit camp office, some sort of, was created in Guwahati, and that also because of the ideal place for monitoring the ongoing projects that they have in Arunachal Pradesh and in other parts of the northeastern state. So therefore they do have that office, but as far as head office is concerned, there is no intention at all from the highest authority or from the Neepco management to shift the office from Shillong.
Sir, to my information, the MD of the Neepco does not sit in Shillong anymore. He comes and sits in Guwahati. Does that not imply that the head office have been shifted to Guwahati, sir?
No, sir. Sir, again, I would like to clarify. That's why they do have their temporary office, which is fully operational from Guwahati to facilitate those ongoing projects that they do have right now. So therefore, shifting of head office, as I said to you, nothing of that sort, be it from the highest authority or be it from the Neepco management, the intention for shifting of the head office from Shillong to Guwahati or any other parts of the northeastern state does not arise.
So in that case, may I know from the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, how many people from Meghalaya are employed in the Neepco office?
Sir, that records I don't have right now. And you know, I think I require notice for that, sir, because I don't have all the details. What is the total strength and the total employees of the Neepco, be it in Shillong headquarters or be it in other parts of the northeastern state.
So why I raise this question is there is fear among the people who are working in the Neepco, our own people who are from Meghalaya, that if this office is shifted to Guwahati, these people from Meghalaya may not be able to go down to work in Guwahati, and most of them may lose their job. Therefore, in the event of a future decision of the Neepco to shift their headquarters from Shillong to Guwahati. May I get kind of an assurance from the government that they'll be protected?
Question hour is closed.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.